All right, afternoon everybody. It's Rob, reseller guy, coming to you with the video today. Last week was, or the week before last, was about finding European headlight assemblies. Today it's going to be about finding an American one. And right now the status on the European one is there's 2 watchers, and I have it on 30 days, so we'll see how it goes as far as sales. But today we're here again at our friendly pick and pull. So we're going to be looking for American headlights. Right now I'm sitting in like the SUVs just because I wanted to get away from everybody. So hang on here for a little bit. It's going to get a little crazy on the old head. I put you on my hat. All right, so we're in business. I did bring my 10mm bolt today, or sockets. So help that problem again. So let's get going. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so we're still here's the Americans. Let's see what we can find. Not a whole lot right there. You gotta look at this Suburban here real quick. I got a buddy who's looking for a door panel on this thing. Well, those aren't too bad looking. The headlights, the headlight assemblies there. Let's see. No. Ooh. Here's this thing. Hang on here, if I can get a little liner. There we go. Had a little bit of a. What year is this thing? Oh, 02. And 2001. Airbags are pretty expensive here at Pick and Pull. Yeah, I'm going to have to look. I'm going to save that for later. I don't know what the inside of his Suburban looks like, or Tahoe, so we're just going to leave that one to go. Well, there's another one. One minute you don't want these things, they're next thing you know they're everywhere. That was not bad either. Oh, I might be switching the video up today and looking at Suburban door panels. Look at this, really? Of course, now I can't get into it, so anyways. Yeah, we'll keep looking. See a Mustang there. Look at this. All of a sudden, there's things that are everywhere. Let's see if we got anything on these headlights on these Mustangs. Doubtful, but you never know. Nope. Never though. You always want to look inside. People will throw the stuff in there. Nope. Nothing on that one. Certainly don't want Taurus headlights. And here's a Mustang one. Well, here's this Mustang. The V8. Oh, V6. 99. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. Maybe the V8 version GT, maybe I'd grab it, but not a V6. Oh, here's another one, convertible. Let's see what we got here. No headlights there. Let's keep looking. Here's another GT, I think. It's pretty beat up. There are more Mustangs. Let's see, this is a 5.0. Yeah, this is the older version though. 98. Yeah, gonna pass. Too old. Let's see this one here. Got a swimming pool. Nope. Don't want taillights because they're cracked. Keep looking. Maybe so bad it may have been broken. Now we're looking for headlights, not taillights. Of course, now you look at this, all I see is taillights. There's another G-body Mustang, the older version. Way old. Barbecue on that one. Okay, so a bunch of Tauruses, which we don't want any involvement in Tauruses. They are not worth anything. Yeah. And we're getting more into the escorts now. Focus, focus. So we're getting Chevys now. Not seeing any headlights worth a damn. Got a headlight on this thing right here is huge. You can see it there. That's $40 just for these things. Same as the other ones. The smaller headlights are 30, the big ones are 40. Like that Jaguar one. Yeah, we're getting into Cadillacs and things like that. I don't want that thing. That's $40, no guarantee. I don't think they're even going that long. Buick. Not looking too promising. Impalas are pretty good cars. They're pretty reliable. Yeah, look how weather cracked that thing is. Somebody tried to do something that would mess it up. Ooh. here would take a lot. This would take a lot to bring back to condition where you could sell it. Or Cadillac. Another Buick. The Camaro. Let's see, these are just individuals, so not really worth it. Those are the old glass versions, so you don't need to have no headlight assembly on those. Man, the Impalas are just trashed. I have to check out the Europeans. Older Impala. Yeah, that's like a mold on it. Where the heck that thing been sitting? A Firebird. Now, if you got the motors for those, you'd be able to do something with, but I'm not going to take the time to dig that thing out. It's a Cadillac. Yeah. Cadillacs kind of rank up there like Jaguars and Porsches and things like that. People really don't do that much work on them themselves. So like I said in the last video, people are going to buy that headlight are going to be the shops, body shops, not the individual working on their Jaguar on the weekend. So I've almost walked the entire American lot, and I'm not seeing anything except for Cadillacs. $40 to see maybe if a Cadillac headlight assembly will work. I'm not going to do it. No, it was a Cadillac. Apparently it's Cadillac Day. These are one of my prior videos. Hubcaps I bought and refurbished. Those things take forever to sell. Long tail item. Cruiser. Tennis shoes. Looks like we're getting into Dodges. Yep. Dodges. A lot of cruisers. Don't want those headlights. Neon. Another PT. Bunch of PT Cruisers. Dang. Look at them all. They are just Chrysler's throwaway car. You take a PT body on a Dodge Neon frame, you got a PT Cruiser. Yeah, these things are, no, carts are everywhere. One time I can't find them. Now they're just sitting around. Okay, more 300. Let's see what we got here. No headlights. Let's see. Maybe they're inside. Nope. Not seeing it. Huh. Oh, this is, damn, that's a big headlight. What is this thing? Dodge Avenger? I don't know. Oh, a Dodge Avenger. $2010. Yeah. I don't think spending $40 for that big headlight is going to be worth it.